In the depths of the tropical rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, there exists a plant so rare, so mysterious, and so bizarre that scientists, travelers, and nature lovers from all over the world are drawn to witness it at least once in their lifetime. Its name is the corpse flower, or scientifically, Amorphophallus titanum. This plant is not only one of the largest flowers on Earth, but also one of the strangest. When in full bloom, the corpse flower can reach a height of more than 3 meters, towering like a mystical guardian of the jungle. Its petals open wide, forming a giant funnel of deep crimson and green, resembling something out of a prehistoric world. But what truly shocks anyone who approaches it is the smell. An unbearable stench of rotting flesh, so strong it can make you nauseous in an instant. Why does such a magnificent flower carry such a dreadful odor? The answer lies in its survival strategy. The corpse flower has no nectar, no sweet fragrance to attract butterflies or bees like most plants. Instead, it lures in carrion beetles and flesh flies, creatures that thrive on decay. These insects, mistaking the flower for a pile of rotting meat, crawl inside, carrying pollen from one bloom to another, ensuring the plant's reproduction. It is a cunning trick of evolution, perfectly adapted to its environment. What makes the corpse flower even more special is its rare blooming cycle. Unlike ordinary plants that blossom every year, this flower may take 7 to 10 years, or even decades before blooming once. And when it finally does, the spectacle lasts only about 24 to 48 hours before the petals wither and collapse. Imagine waiting years, even decades, for a moment that vanishes within 2 days. It is precisely this rarity that makes the corpse flower one of the most extraordinary phenomena of the plant kingdom. Scientists have long been fascinated by its biology. The massive bloom is actually an inflorescence, made up of thousands of tiny flowers clustered on a tall spadix. The giant green and purple petal is not truly a petal, but a protective sheath called a spathe. Beneath its surface lies a delicate system of male and female flowers that open at different times, preventing self-pollination and forcing the plant to rely on insects. Every detail, from its smell to its shape and timing, has been finely tuned by evolution to ensure survival in the dense rainforests of Sumatra. But beyond biology, the corpse flower carries a profound symbolism. It reminds us that beauty in nature is not always sweet or fragrant. Sometimes it is grotesque, fleeting, and paradoxical. The flower embodies both life and death, the stench of decay that sustains the miracle of reproduction. It is a reminder of the cycles of nature, of how even what seems repulsive plays an irreplaceable role in the grand balance of life. Perhaps that is why, whenever a corpse flower blooms in botanical gardens around the world, people flock in thousands, standing in line for hours just to glimpse and smell it. For them, it is not just about seeing a flower, but about witnessing one of nature's greatest wonders, a rare event that combines science, mystery, and awe. The corpse flower is a testament to the boundless creativity of evolution. Towering, grotesque, magnificent, and unforgettable, it is a reminder that the natural world will always have surprises beyond imagination, waiting for those curious enough to discover them.